Inside one of the world's most advanced motorcycle factories, engineering precision begins. Every Ninja H2 begins as high-grade aerospace quality metal. Computer-controlled lasers cut each component with microscopic accuracy. Robotic welding ensures perfect frame strength and symmetry. Each frame undergoes precision digital scanning before assembly. The heart of the H2 is cast using lightweight aluminum alloys. Advanced machining creates engine tolerances measured in microns. The legendary Supercharger is engineered for extreme airflow performance. Hand-assembled engines guarantee performance perfection. This one's set. Next.
Okay, aligning this one now.
Good, keep the pace. Precision-formed exhaust systems maximize power output. The iconic mirror finish requires multiple layers of advanced coating. Controlled heat curing ensures a flawless finish. Smart electronics give the Ninja H2 its intelligent performance control. High-precision suspension components deliver unmatched stability. Lightweight performance wheels are fitted for high-speed riding. Every machine is tested at full power before leaving the factory. Strict inspection ensures each unit meets racing-level standards.
Let's check the MS table. Readings are at the moment.
From raw metal to mechanical masterpiece, the Ninja H2 is born. Each motorcycle is carefully packaged for global shipment. Global logistics networks prepare these superbikes for worldwide delivery.
Ready to get this one on? Yep, let's go. On three. 1, 2, 3. Good. Secure it.
Across oceans, the machines travel toward riders around the world. From raw metal to mechanical masterpiece, the Ninja H2 is born.